I'm feeling so sleepy. I have slept for 10 hours, still I'm feeling sleep. So here in this hotel we always get either breakfast or lunch or dinner. So obviously breakfast is very difficult thing for us because we have slept so late in night and we cannot wake up so early in the morning. So lunch is a good thing for us. We can have it lunch or dinner. There is one Lulu mall nearby only. It's hardly 4 kilometers from the hotel, and there is one beach. So in this hotel we don't get toothbrush, so I have to order toothbrush from reception. Good morning. Can you get me one dental kit, please? Thank you. So it's gonna take 5 to 10 minutes at least. So meanwhile, I can bore you with my talks. Early morning, not early morning, but yeah, morning talks. So this is the Gulf country in which I'm staying right now, in which I got layover. And the good thing about Gulf countries is this: the passenger profiling is very nice. Like, it's not very nice, but yeah, it's convenient for crew. They don't ask so many things. They are not demanding. If you talk with little love and care, they will get to understand that yeah, this thing we don't have and this thing we don't give. So this is the best thing about Gulf countries. And the second thing, not the second thing, I would say the first thing which I like about the Gulf countries, we don't have to serve alcohol in Gulf countries because they don't drink, and they will just have chicken, that too halal. So yeah, that is pretty good thing for us. It's very convenient. The bad thing about Gulf countries, they are like first time flyers, so they don't know exactly where to sit, where their seats are. So we always have to monitor them. We always have to tell them that, sir, this is your seat. Please remain seated here only. Don't go. And the another drawback of Gulf country, I would say that the language barrier. They don't know neither English nor Hindi. They just speak Arabic, which we don't know. So we have to talk like, you sit, you get up, you have food, eat like this. So that's a little funny. Chicken, they don't know vegetarian meal. They just know chicken. They don't eat vegetarian meal also. So you just say chicken and they will say yeah, and the other person will say same. The next person will again say same. If window passenger is having orange juice, the middle passenger will also say yeah, same. So you can give anything, whatever you have, orange juice or apple juice. They don't have any issue. They will have happily, and they will appreciate you for your work that we are doing. The night flights, we have to get up, we have to be awake, we have to take care of them. I think the camera is falling. सो गाइस, अभी यहाँ पे बज रहे हैं 11:40 और मैं उठने वाली थी 12 बजे, बट फिर मेरी नींद खुल गई और मैंने देखा तो अभी टाइम है, बट देन आई थॉट लेट्स वेक अप so that I can make videos and I can have my lunch आराम से, बिल्कुल ऐसे lazy morning, lazy. I know this is not morning for you all, this is early afternoon you would say, but for me it's morning. I slept at 2 o'clock in the night, so obviously this is going to be morning for me. I will tell you one interesting thing about this hotel. Obviously, I'm staying in a Gulf country. This hotel is also owned by some sheikh, rich sheikh. So what's special in this hotel, or what drawback I would say? There is no single woman working here. There is no woman. There is no woman working here. It's like, if I want to have something very personal with a woman, I cannot have it. I have to tell to a man, and which they don't know exactly what is it. And then they will be saying, we don't know what is this. We don't know what is this. Everywhere in restaurant, at reception, in housekeeping, in security, you will find only men, not a single woman. So I think this, I don't know, but they don't want their women to go out and work. Maybe because of that, we don't have any single woman working in this hotel. If we want to say anything, we have to say to a man, not a. We will not get a woman. I hope this is working. So there is one hand wash and it's written wash your hands, no seriously. And then on body lotion it's written filters are great but great skin is better. Yeah. It's such a motivational quotes they have. What if someone doesn't have great skin or better skin? Then this would be the motivation for them. Let's make some coffee. They have given me only 2 water bottles, so I have to do conjuicy. I can of course order, but ठीक है, अगर हो जाता है तो it's nice. I don't want to waste any water because water is so precious after all. Coffee mit, which is milk, creamer, milk jiggers, whatever you can say. Which I don't like, but I don't have any other option. So I have to use this only. We have 2 sugars, white sugar and brown sugar. But I don't like brown sugar. I always go with white sugar. I don't know why people have this brown sugar. Because the taste is ridiculous. I don't like it. 1 sugar, I have put it. And it's time for coffee. It's the same. I'm not gonna have strong coffee. It would be light because after having lunch again I have to take a good nap so that I can operate the next flight, which is nightmare again because it's all night flight. It's all red-eye flight. So I don't want to be awake. What is this? Original rainbow. 40 coffee content. Evaporated milk. Oh, this also we have, but I'm not gonna use it. I don't know what is inside this, and I don't want to take any risk, guys. So my coffee is almost ready. I will not show you my coffee because I can say it's not that much great. It's better not to show you. You know what? My best friend, she can make a really good tea and coffee with these tea bags also. And look at me. I cannot copy one thing from her, which I should because she is my best friend. And if I'm copying a good thing from her, it's nice. What is wrong in that? Cheers. I know the taste is going to be okay. It's okay. What's up, guys? Tell me. It feels great inside the hotel, it feels great inside the room, but the moment you step out from this hotel, you will you will be amazed with piping hot weather. Yes, so hot out there. The temperature is 45, 48, 50, sometimes it's 50 also. It's very difficult to go out in afternoon, so we always prefer going in evening, that too after 5 or 6. And but we can go to mall because the shuttle which we get, that has AC inside the coach, and in the mall also we will be having AC. So it's great that we can go to Lulu Mall, but talking about beach, we cannot go because it would be so hot. After sunset, I can go. So whenever I don't get international layovers, I always feel like, why am I not getting international layover? How will I make money? I want to explore new places. I want to visit in foreign countries. But the moment I got layover, I always feel homesickness. I know Mumbai is not my home. It's not my hometown, but whatever it is, I feel like, yeah, I am in India and I am safe. It's not about safe actually, but I don't know why I feel so homesickness whenever I stay in foreign countries. And the moment I stepped into India, I feel like, okay, now it's so relaxing. Now it feels nice. It feels good. So I am confused. I want international layover or not? So guys, I have finished my coffee. Now I'm gonna get ready and go for lunch. CS have texted me that, have you woke up? I said, yeah, I have woke up because I had to make videos. That's why I got up so early. Otherwise, I would have woken up so late, around 12, because 1 o'clock time was decided. So I'm gonna get ready and go for lunch. See you there. So I'm gonna use this nose strips so that I can remove my all the blackheads. Don't tell me there is only one. Guys, I have been robbed. One, thoroughly wash your face with water, peel the nose strips from the plastic film, wet your nose with water. If nose is not wet enough, strip may not stick. Okay, apply the strip to the nose area, wait for 10 to 15 minutes, slowly peel off strip. Enjoy smoother, soft and more clarifies complexion. Let's see. So first I have to wet my nose. This is how it looks. I'm ready. I just have to peel this off. It's been almost 20 minutes. Now it's the time to peel this off. The most difficult and restless time for girls. So I'm gonna peel out. Oh, the door hurts. Shit. See my blackheads removed. ये जो black है ना, इसका चारकोल चिपक गया है, I think. अभी जाती हूँ मैं पेट पूजा करने. See you there. Okay, so I just took shower after swimming, and I think this top is little revealing according to this culture. So I'm not gonna wear this top. I'll show you another one. So this is the another one which I don't like it. I don't know why, but I don't like it. White color. I'm confused. नहीं नहीं ऐसे